Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on numerical analysis. In the previous class, we have studied some problems on Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. And in this class, we will see some problems on Wedel's rule. Here, n should be a multiple of 6. Wedel's rule is integral a to b y dx equal to 3h by 10 into y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3. That means we can divide this as for n equal to 6 and n equal to 12 as well n equal to 18 etc. We can remember this formula by putting the numbers 1, 5, 1, 6. Again 1, 5, 1. For example, y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3. Again 1, 5, 1 for n equal to 6. If it is for n equal to 12, we have to take from y6 to y12. Same numbers 1, 5, 1, 6. Again 1, 5, 1. Where h equal to b minus a by n. First problem is evaluate integral 0 to 2 x plus x power 4 into dx using Wedel's rule by taking n equal to 6. And the solution is as follows. Here our lower limit a equal to 0 and the upper limit b equal to 2 and n equal to 6. As we know the formula for h equal to b minus a by n. Substitute b value, a value and n value here. We'll get h equal to 1 by 3. And in this problem, we'll keep h is equal to 1 by 3 in fraction itself to get exact upper limit 2. So the function is f of x equal to x plus x power 4. And take a table by x value and y value. X value starts from 0 and it reaches till 2 by taking h equal to 1 by 3. That means we have to add h in each term. Starting from 0, add h 1 by 3. Add h again will get 2 by 3. Again add h will get 1. Similarly 4 by 3, 5 by 3 as well 2. By substituting these x values in the function f of x equal to x plus x power 4, we'll get the respected y values. That is here y0 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0 0.346, y2 equal to 0.864 and y3 equal to 2, y4 equal to 4.494, y5 equal to 9.383 and y6 equal to 18. y6 equal to 18. Wedel's rule for n equal to 6 is 3h by 10 into y0 plus 5y1. That means 1, 5, 1, 6. Again 1, 5, 1. Substitute the respected values in. By putting these x values in the function, that is e power 2x, will get the respected y values. Namely, y0 equal to 1.492, y1 equal to 2.226, y2 equal to 3.320, y3 equal to 4.953, y4 equal to 7.389 and y5 equal to 11.023, y6 equal to 16.445. Wedel's rule for n equal to 6 is integral a to b y dx equal to 3h by 10. As I told before, to remember the formula 1, 5, 1, 6, again 1, 5, 1. Substitute all the values using the table. Will get the value equal to 7.477. Third problem, evaluate integral 4 to 5.2 log x dx using Wedel's rule by taking 7 ordinates. The solution is as follows. Here our a equal to 4, b equal to 5.2, n equal to 6. By putting these values in the formula h equal to b minus a by n, we get 0.2 as our h. Here our function is log. The lower limit is 4 and the upper limit is 5.2 and h value 0.2. Substitute all values here. We'll get 7 ordinates, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means n equal to 6 here. N equal to 6. By substituting these values in the function log x, we'll get the respected y values y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Wedel's rule for n equal to 6 is, write the formula for n equal to 6. Substitute the respected values, that is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6 in the given formula. We'll get the integral value equal to 1.828. The last problem is evaluate integral 0 to 0.6 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx using Wedel's rule by taking n equal to 6. Here our lower limit equal to 0, upper limit is 0.6, n equal to 6. Substituting these values in the formula h equal to b minus a by n, we'll get h equal to 0.1. Here our function is 1 by square root of 1 minus. Take the table, the lower limit from 0 and it reaches till 0.6 by taking h equal to 0.1. By substituting these values in the function, we'll get the respected y values, namely y0 equal to 1, y1 equal to 1.005, y2 is 1.021, y3 is 1.048, y4 equal to 1.091, y5 equal to 1.155 and y6 is 1.250. We can calculate this by using scientific calculator, as it is allowed to write. And Wedel's rule for n equal to 6 is integral a to b y dx equal to 3h by 10 into y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3, again 1, 5, 1. Substitute the respected values from the table. We'll get the integral value equal to 0.644. Thank you.